Hello guys, I'm here Hottage here with the Hottage Group, Keller Williams, Chesterfield, Missouri. I'm standing in front of my newest listing. The address is 1434 Telegraph Road. This beautiful, as you can see, full brick house, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a finished basement. Everything is new. The only thing that is original are the walls and the bricks. Everything else inside, totally new. Finished basement, updated kitchen, floors. I mean, beautiful house for you or for somebody you know who is looking to buy a house here in South County, Melville School District. Right, I mean, Telegraph Road next to LeMay Ferry, close to shops and restaurant establishments. I mean, it's close to highway, parks. Beautiful neighborhood, and this house will be also held open on Sunday, this coming Sunday, between 1 and 3 p.m. And so if you don't have an agent, feel free to come and visit. I won't be a host. It will be somebody from Diana from my office will be holding an open house on Sunday, and this coming Sunday, again between 1 and 3 p.m. And if you have any questions, you could text me 314-223-2043 or check my website, Hottage Group, Hotich Group.com. So I am with Keller Williams, and I am your realtor. If I'm not, I'm sorry. Or if you're looking for a realtor, interview me for a job. I'm not a realtor, no somebody who is selling or buying stocks at the same time. I am especially concentrated on buying and selling houses for you, for my clients. Again, come and visit our open house, 1434 Telegraph Road, 63125 zip code, South County. This coming Sunday on between 1 and 3 p.m. This house will have its doors open for you, and come and take a look. I forgot to mention this behind the house, beautiful backyard, 2-car garage. Check the link below and check those pictures. Beautiful. Thank you, and see you on Sunday.